The process of product design continues to evolve, and so too should your CAD software. Introducing Creo 7.0, the most innovative and powerful 3D CAD software on the market today. Creo 7.0 introduces breakthrough capabilities in generative design, real-time simulation, and additive manufacturing, in addition to numerous productivity enhancements such as multi-body design. Generative design is changing the product development process, allowing you to innovate faster, exploring more ideas than ever with less risk. Introducing the new AI-driven Generative Topology Optimization extension, available in Creo 7.0. Now, you can quickly develop higher quality designs, which perform better in the real world, based on your engineering requirements and manufacturing methods. With Creo 7.0, you'll create innovative, durable products faster than ever before. Creo Simulation Live introduced groundbreaking real-time simulation capabilities for thermal, structural, and modal analysis. Creo 7.0 goes one step further, adding fluid flow simulation, specifically designed for engineers. These features are integrated directly into the Creo modeling environment, providing you real-time feedback on designs as you make changes. Now, every designer can benefit from the power of real-time fluid flow simulation. To further enhance our powerful generative design, additive manufacturing, and simulation capabilities, Creo 7.0 introduces multi-body design. This new workflow allows users to separately manage and design geometry within a single part, and multi-body workflows will empower more efficient and flexible part design for a wide variety of everyday modeling tasks. In the area of additive manufacturing, Creo 7.0 expands support for lattices, enabling the generation of stochastic lattices using triangular structures. We've also introduced support for Swiss-type machines in Creo's computer-aided manufacturing solution. As with every release, Creo 7.0 is full of core enhancements that allow every user to design better products faster. From an enhanced draft feature to sketcher enhancements, improvements to 2D mirror, and updated MBD standards, these new features will make you more productive than ever before. Product design is changing. So should your CAD software. Creo 7.0, the future of how you design.